Waterfall charts are designed to highlight and compare the disparate values that make up a total. Note that the main measure in this analytic model is the change in headcount, which is calculated based on increases from new hires and decreases from terminations. The hierarchy of measures is displayed with the lower levels first, with the total at the end. The straight lines show the relationship between each element. We can add dimensions to the chart to change the context of the waterfall. If the values don't roll up to a total, as with this non-hierarchical dimension, a diagonal line indicates that the values can't be resolved into a waterfall. We'll replace the dimension with one that includes a hierarchy. When we drill down, we can choose to drill down in either the dimension or the measure or account hierarchy. The values of the individual regions now resolve themselves into a waterfall, so the lines are straight. If we expand the account hierarchy as well, we can see the number of new hires and terminations for the region. We can also display the values as a waterfall over time. Note that the date dimension has been enriched to create a time hierarchy. The waterfall displays the overall increases and decreases in headcount for the year. When we drill down on a specific month, we can see the new hires and terminations for the selected month. We can use the same process to display account data from planning models. The account hierarchy in this model is more complex. We can drill down in the chart to see the same hierarchy of accounts. When working with planning data where more than one version exists, we can add version data to the chart. A secondary chart is added to the tile to show the new version. Thanks for watching.